We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish.
Hello everyone and welcome to Vlogmas Day 18. I'm here at home today and I'm going to build not a gingerbread house, but a gingerbread tree. I got this at Publix for $12.99. I'm gonna make one big tree. Let's go. Ko-osh. This is what comes in the package. We have stars in descending order. I'm gonna guess this is the frosting that's gonna hold it together. And we have little tiny lights, candied lights, and gumdrops.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bride was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lame, misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank and then we got upset. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Well, here is the finished piece. I probably could have put more frosting on. There's a couple bare branches. I may have to go in and do some touch-ups, but yeah. I don't know if the star is going to stay. It's kind of at an angle. But if I put it straight up and down, it fell over because of all the lights I put on the star. Well, we'll see how long it takes to dry. I may have to do some oops, we've already lost a gumdrop. Look at that. You know what? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put the gumdrop here for protection. And we'll add some more lights. To be honest, I've already had to fix the star from falling over a couple times while I did touch-ups. Don't think this is gonna last a whole lot of time. But it was cute. I've never made one. All these years I say, oh, I'm gonna get one. You know, maybe the $80 beautiful one at Grand Floridian isn't looking so bad. But for $13, I think it's adorable. And it smells really good. I think that's gonna be it for Vlogmas Day 18. It's leaning. It was fun. Thanks for watching and check back tomorrow. Happy holidays, everyone. Ko-osh.